Headquartered in Westbrook, Maine, the E.S. Boulos Company is one of the oldest, largest, and most experienced electrical contractors in the northeastern United States. Founded in 1920, ESB has established a solid reputation for quality, safety, and value that makes them a contractor of choice for major construction projects throughout the region.
When you hire E.S. Boulos, you know you're getting the real thing.
With decades of day-to-day management and industry knowledge, Boulos' team of smart, creative, and skilled professionals complete commercial, industrial, utility, and telecommunication projects of every size and scope.
We don't have to limit ourselves with the type of construction that we go after. There's a huge amount of talent within the company.
With being in business as long as we have, there's nothing we haven't come across or dealt with.
You can truly see the integration.
ESB uses the latest construction technologies to provide customers with the best value in the market.
We stand behind every project, and every service, and every employee that we have.
MYR Group is a leading electrical contractor with more than 60 district offices located throughout the United States and Canada, 7,900 employees, and more than 7,000 pieces of equipment. E.S. Boulos, one of the newest members, now has regional and national talent and support provided by MYR Group if requested.
MYR has a depth of knowledge that is a significant resource for us.
Working with electricity, especially high voltage energy, requires a high level of safety training. Boulos backs up all of their employees with a rigorous safety program.
And we have a reputation throughout New England as being a very safe contractor with all our clients we deal with. We have a great safety record and a low EMR to prove that.
A fire extinguisher in this gang box.
There's no question the field can count on getting 100% support from safety with whatever they need.
Any questions?
The Boulos team can solve the most complex logistical challenges and deliver projects on time and on budget.
The more complex the problem, the more appropriate Boulos is to solve it.
The stub beams between the two columns.
They look at E.S. Boulos Company as a can-do type contractor.
E.S. Boulos has a long tradition of excellence, dating back nearly a century.
We just celebrated our 100th year anniversary, and I see us being a better, stronger, and larger company in the years to come.